हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू लर्न विद फार्मेसी। तो चलिए मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री टू एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ में आज हम मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री टू यूनिट फर्स्ट में बात करने वाले हैं एंटी हिस्टामिनिक एजेंट्स के ऊपर, गैस्ट्रिक प्रोटॉन पंप इनिबिटर्स और एंटी नियोप्लास्टिक एजेंट्स के ऊपर। तो इसमें जो हमारा कंटेंट है वो है एंटी हिस्टामिनिक एजेंट्स, उसके अंदर H1 एंटागोनिस्ट H2 एंटागोनिस्ट के ऊपर MCQ सॉल्व होगा। उसके बाद में गैस्ट्रिक प्रोटॉन पंप इनिबिटर्स, एंटी नियोप्लास्टिक एजेंट्स जिसके अंदर अल्कालेटिंग एजेंट्स, एंटी मेटाबोलाइट्स, एंटीबायोटिक्स, प्लांट प्रोडक्ट और मिसेलेनियस के ऊपर MCQ सॉल्व होगा। ये था हमारा कंटेंट। तो दोस्तों, आप लोगों को करना क्या है कि वीडियो को देखते रहिए, और यदि आपको यह PDF डाउनलोड करना है तो मैंने वीडियो में 2 क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया नहीं है, तो आप उन क्वेश्चंस का जवाब कमेंट करके आपकी ईमेल आईडी कमेंट बॉक्स में डालकर हमें कमेंट कर सकते हैं, जिसके ऊपर हम आपको PDF भेज देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रिंग प्रेजेंट इन पायरिलमाइन इज। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज पायरिडीन। सो पायरिडीन रिंग इज प्रेजेंट इन पायरिलमाइन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, alkaline can also be termed as. So the correct answer is melphalan. So melphalan is also known as Alkarin. So the brand name of melphalan is Alkarin, and melphalan is used to treat multiple myeloma, that is a type of cancer of bone marrow. Question number 3, histamine can be represented by. So the correct answer is 4,2-aminoethyl imidazole. So by 4,2-aminoethyl imidazole histamine is represented. Question number 4, in the given reaction identify X. So the correct answer is promethazine. So in this reaction X will be promethazine. Question number 5, in the given reaction X will be. So the correct answer is X will be diphenhydramine. Question number 6, ring present in omeprazole is. So the correct answer for this question is imidazole. So imidazole ring is present in omeprazole. Question number 7, the metabolic conversion of loratadine to descarboethoxyloratadine occurs via. So the correct answer is oxidation. So by oxidation the metabolic conversion of loratadine to descarboethoxyloratadine occurs. Question number 8, number of chiral center present in the structure of phenidamine. So the correct answer is 1. Question number 9, ring present in trimeprazine is. So the correct answer for this question is phenothiazine. So phenothiazine ring is present in the structure of trimeprazine. Question number 10, ring present in chlorcyclazine. So the correct answer is piperazine. So piperazine ring is present in the structure of chlorcyclazine. Question number 11, dimenhydrinate is the mixture of. So the correct answer is diphenhydramine and 8-chlorotheophylline. Question number 12, ring present in melphalan is. So the correct answer is benzene. So benzene ring is present in the structure of melphalan. Question number 13, alkylation of 1-methylpiperazine with 4-chlorobenzhydryl bromide gives. So the correct answer is chlorcyclazine. Question number 14, the correct sequence for the step for the synthesis of drug clemastine from 4-chloroacetophenone can be. So what is the correct sequence that we have to identify in this question? So the correct answer is 132. That means reaction with phenyl magnesium bromide, then reaction with sodium amide, and then reaction with 2,2-chloroethyl 1-methyl pyrrolidine. This is the correct sequence. Question number 15. 8-chlorotheophyllinate salt of diphenhydramine is used for treatment of. So the correct answer is motion sickness. So for motion sickness, 8-chlorotheophyllinate salt of diphenhydramine is being used. Question number 16, that is pyrilamine is generally. So the correct answer is ethylene diamines. Question number 17, in the given structure X will be. So the correct answer in this reaction X will be busulfan. Question number 18, loratadine is an azoisomer of. So the correct answer for this question is cyproheptadine. Question number 19, number of chiral center present in the structure of clemastine is. So 2 chiral center is present in the structure of clemastine. Question number 20, 7H purine 6-ol when treated with phosphorus pentasulfide gives. So the correct answer is mercaptopurine, and mercaptopurine is used for the treatment of cancer of blood. So question number 21, dimenhydrinate is synthesized by taking stoichiometric proportion of ratio of 1:1 of diphenhydramine, and so the correct answer for this question is 8-chlorotheophylline. Question number 22, in the given structure of melphalan X is generally. So in this structure X will be Cl. So in this melphalan structure X will be Cl. Question number 23, ring present in thioguanine is. So the correct answer for this question is purine. So purine ring is present in thioguanine. Question number 24, which type of ring is present in meclorethamine? So the answer for this question is not given. If you want the PDF of today's MCQ lecture, so try to comment the answer of this question. Question number 25, alkyl group between oxygen and nitrogen of diphenhydramine is. So the correct answer is ethyl. Question number 26, ring present in triphenylamine is. So the correct answer is pyridine. So pyridine ring is present in triphenylamine. Question number 27, ring present in azitidine. So the correct answer is piperidine. So piperidine ring is present in the structure azitidine. Question number 28, aromatic ring substitution on cyclophosphamide will. So the correct answer is it will increase the stability of drug. So the aromatic ring substitution on cyclophosphamide will increase the stability of the drug. Question number 29, ring present in cetirizine is. So the correct answer is pyrazine. So pyrazine ring is present in cetirizine. So the next question, question number 30, NN dimethyl 1 phenothiazine 10 propane to amine is the IUPAC nomenclature of which drug? So the correct answer, that is promethazine. So N,N-dimethyl 1-phenothiazine 10-propane-2-amine is the IUPAC nomenclature of promethazine. Question number 31. Ring present in tripropylidine is. So the correct answer is pyrrolidine. So pyrrolidine ring is present in tripropylidine. Question number 32. Alkylation of phenothiazine with 1-dimethylamino 2-propyl chloride gives. So the correct answer is promethazine. Question number 33. Anthycene can be also termed as. So the correct answer is pyrilamine. So pyrilamine is also known as anthicene. So question number 34. Omeprazole is an important proton pump inhibitor. Which region is prone to metabolism in this structure? So options are A, B, C, D in the structure. So the correct answer is A. So A region, that is CH3, is having tendency for metabolism in this structure. Question number 35. Ring present in clemastine is. So pyrrolidine ring is present in the structure of clemastine. Question number 36. Phenindamine binds with which receptor to produce antihistaminic action? So the correct answer is H1 receptor. So when phenindamine will bind with H1 receptor, it will produce antihistaminic action. Question number 37. Fluorouracil is generally dash 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 analog. So the correct answer is pyrimidine. So fluorouracil is pyrimidine analog. Next question, question number 38. Number of chiral carbon present in the structure of chlorcyclazine. So the correct answer is 1. So 1 chiral carbon will be present in the structure of chlorcyclazine. Question number 39. Identify the antihistaminic belonging to amino alkyl ether derivative. So the correct answer is diphenhydramine. Next question, question number 40. 2,2-dichloro N-methyl diethylamine is. So the correct answer is mechlorethamine. Question number 41. Ring present in doxylamine is. So the correct answer is pyridine. So pyridine ring will be present in doxylamine. Question number 42. Ring present in chlorambucil is. The correct answer for this question is benzene. So benzene ring is present in chlorambucil. Question number 43. Thioguanine is generally. So the correct answer is 2-amino purine 6-thiol. Next question, question number 44. Ring present in acetamizole is. So the correct answer is piperidine. So piperidine ring is present in the structure of acetamizole. Question number 45. The initial metabolic step is mediated primarily by cytochrome P450 family to subfamily B member 6. In short, CYP to BC to B6, and involves dash 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 of oxaphosphorin ring to generate a carbinolamine. So the answer is hydroxylation. Question number 46. Following statement with correct structure activity relationship of the alkylamine antihistamine drug. So the correct answer is E isomer are more potent than Z isomer. Question number 47. An example of drug from class ethanolamine ether antihistamines is. So the correct answer is dimenhydrinate. Next, question number 48. Ring present in floxouridine is. So the correct answer is pyrimidine. So pyrimidine ring is present in floxouridine. Question number 49. What is the starting product for the synthesis of chloroethanamine? So the starting product is ethyl oxide and methanamine. Question number 50. 2-diphenyl methoxy NN dimethylamine is the IUPAC name of. So the options are dimenhydrinate, B clemastine, C diphenhydramine and D doxylamine. So the answer for this question is not given in the PDF. So if you want the PDF of today's MCQ lecture, so try to comment at least the answer of this question in the comment box. We will provide you the PDF if you comment the answer of this question. It may be wrong or right, just try to attend the question. तो इस तरीके से मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री 2 से यूनिट फर्स्ट में 50 क्वेश्चन हमने कवर कर लिए हैं। तो आशा करता हूँ कि आपके एग्जाम में इसमें से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आ जाए। तो फिर मिलते हैं किसी और सब्जेक्ट के MCQ सीरीज़ में। तो लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।